Surprise! I'm your guest host today, and we're going to be talking about a great kitchen remodel. Hi, I'm April Bell, and I'm here today to talk to you about our latest kitchenCRATE. It is kitchenCRATE Daystar. We're going to do a virtual tour, and I'm going to tell you all the things that I really liked about this kitchen. So it's kind of a personal thing today. What I liked best about the Daystar kitchen is I really liked that we redid the lighting, and we took out that box lighting in the kitchen and replaced it with the recessed can lighting. I really like that. It just makes it look so big and open. I really like that they took the office space there that people kind of use in their kitchen for their computer, their little homework station, but they extended it and made it into more usable cabinet space, and it just flows so pretty, and it really extends the kitchen too. I love that. I do love the floors that they put in there. I also really like that they got rid of the corbels and added steel straps to the island. It just makes it look so much, again, there's more space there, there's more space for legroom. I really love that they updated their countertops with quartz countertops instead of those tiles where you really run into staining the grout and having to clean that. It's just so much easier to clean with a smooth surface, and the quartz really does that for this kitchen. And of course, last but not least, I truly like that it's so modern with the white paint on the cabinets. And just another, just a fun fact, we also did some adjacent rooms in the Daystar home. We did the hall bath, the master bath, and the laundry room, and what we did there is we refinished the cabinets to match the kitchen cabinets, and also the quartz in the bathrooms to match the kitchen. So everything just ties in together in this home. If you're interested in your very own kitchen or bath crate, give us a call at 888-995-7996 or look us up online at kbcrate.com. Thank you. Great. This is just a great example of the one of the interested in have. Okay.